In this video, I am going to show you how to get your Payoneer IBAN number quickly and easily. The IBAN, International Bank Account Number, is essential for receiving international payments directly to your Payoneer account. First, open the Payoneer website or mobile app and log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Receive section from the main menu and select Global Payment Service. In the Global Payment Service section, you will see a list of different currencies, such as USD, EUR, GBP, and more. Select the currency for which you need the IBAN. If you need an IBAN for EUR Euro, choose the EUR account. If you need it for another currency, select the respective account. Once you select the currency, you will see your bank account details, including the IBAN number, bank name, and BIC/SWIFT code. Copy the IBAN number and use it to receive payments from clients, employers, or international businesses. If you do not see an IBAN listed for your account, you may need to request access to the Global Payment Service by contacting Payoneer Customer Support. That's it. You've successfully learned how to get your Payoneer IBAN number. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.